And welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will discuss that how you can delete the watch history or browsing history on YouTube. I will not ask you that what is the reason that you came here, but I will give you the solution, that's for sure. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. All you need to do is to go to the YouTube application on your mobile. Once you open your YouTube application on your mobile, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile. So once you tap on the profile, so you will see this window. So all you need to do is to tap on the settings option at the top right corner. Once you tap on the setting options, here you will find manage all history. So you need to tap on manage all history. So from here, keeping your history makes YouTube more personal. You will find this one, YouTube history. Here you the control interaction, but we will not discuss that one. Here you can find the delete option. Here if you tap on the delete, that means delete for today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So it depends on you that which one you choose, and you can select a single history that you want to delete individually. So you can do it by just pressing the cross just like that, and it is deleting now, and one item has been deleted. As you can see, there is a pop-up message. So this is how you can individually delete. If you want to delete it, like delete today, so you need to just tap on delete today, and all the history that was for today will be deleted. The next thing that you can do is to auto delete is off here. So you can on that one as well. If you tap on that one, if you enable the auto delete, you can just tap on here. You can select the time frame. More than 36 months, 18 months, or 3 months. So the history which will be older than 3 months will be deleted automatically. So guys, this is how you can delete your watch history or the browsing history on YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.